Hi everyone, it is Friday evening and it's the May long weekend, Victoria Day weekend, and it is about 8:30 and we're in Niagara Falls and we're just gonna do some sightseeing tonight. This is one site I wanted to start off with to show you an update of the old IMAX Theatre here, and they've already torn quite a bit of it down. So this is how it looks now. Yep. Soon it's not going to be anything left. It's quite windy over here, so sorry if there's some noise. To give you an idea how it looks. Looks like that might be, that almost looks like the movie screen right there. I don't know for sure. But yeah, that's how it is now. It's all ripped apart. Over here, a lot of the metal all sorted into this big pile. Yeah, but whatever will happen with this property now, hopefully it'll be something positive. Quite a big difference from the last time I walked by. There was nothing done yet, so you can see up there the leftover bits of the sign, theater sign. So there you go. That's how it looks now. Alright, well, I'm here. Might as well get a nice shot of the Falls View Casino Hotel right there and watch it change colors. It changes colors every few seconds or minutes, something like that. Looks really nice. It goes from blues to greens, purples, red. There, now it's red. Minute to change again. There we go. Now it's green. Wish that street light wasn't in my way. There, that's a little bit better view now. See, isn't that nice? It changes colors all night long. It looks pretty. This doesn't look so pretty. It's kind of sad really, but oh well, it's time for a change, I guess. Alright, now we're gonna go take a walk around. We're gonna go near Clifton Hill. I'm gonna go and see if I can get an ice cream. See you there. busy here tonight. See a nice view of the American Falls. See people are just hanging out. They have their lawn chairs out, enjoying the night. Looks like they were installing some signs, the Niagara Parks. What does that sign say? Provincial Offenses Officer. Oh, okay. So they were, looks like they were installing some more signs along the falls. Oh, see? They're getting ready for something soon. It's the first official kickoff to the tourist season here. And they're gonna start the first day of fireworks tonight. Can't wait, I'm excited. So it's going to be fireworks every night till October. So that's like over 100 nights of beautiful fireworks. Nice clock right here. 9:15, still have time. So every night at 10 o'clock, they're gonna have a fireworks show here, which is great. I think they're kind of making up for 2 years of not having any firework celebrations at all. So this is gonna be awesome. So we're just gonna go up to Clifton Hill and get an ice cream. And then we're gonna go find a spot to sit and wait for the fireworks to start. It's not gonna be like a huge long walk today. Just a nice little one just to enjoy the night and enjoy the fireworks show. Beautiful day here today. It's 26 degrees today, but a little bit cooler now since we're by the falls, but still a really nice night. You can see the sky wheel all lit up nicely at night. Look at all the pretty tulips in a row. This is the area all along here where they set off the fireworks. So they close it all off so nobody can go down there, unfortunately. It's pretty busy evening here. People here. Hopefully we'll get to see some people doing the zip lining as we're walking along here. That'll be nice. falls here, all lit up in red. Going up there to the zip lining course. All right, we're gonna cross the street. Make our way over to the ice cream place. Just a little FYI for you. All this right here is parking. If you want to park close to the hill, there's lots of parking right here on this street. And you just pay at the meter. I think they take credit card or it's like the scan to pay there. I don't even know how to use the scan to pay. At least I'm glad I have a parking pass. I don't have to worry about that, but you know, then again, I can't use my parking pass to park here if I wanted to. Oh, I see our destination. Go there. Can't really see it too clearly on here, but it's not too far. those yummy treats. Aw, they're playing music. Lots of different flavors. Cookies and cream and Krusty the Cone. Look at all the flavors up here. think I know which one I'm gonna get. I'm going to get the Bounty Killa. It says it's coconut, soft serve, shredded toasted coconut, and dark chocolate sauce. That's what I'm getting. Delicious ice cream looks like. Can you see that? Look at all the coconut on it and chocolate drizzled all over it. Yummy! Gonna enjoy it. Okay, so we're just gonna go to the Oaks Garden Theater and find a spot. That's where I'm gonna watch the fireworks from. Enjoy my ice cream. It's dripping. Oh, see? It's nice in here and more peaceful. Oh, there's lots of people hanging out on the lawn. Let's go up there and sit for a bit. Today, they had breakfast television here in the morning, which is a Toronto TV show. And now, it's like, didn't even happen. It's amazing. Oh, it's so pretty here at night. Really hear the falls. You can hear the roar of the falls from here. Oh, I'm gonna go sit on a bench for a little bit. Left of my ice cream. Not much. It was very delicious. But it's quite warm out tonight and it was melting a lot on the short little walk to get here. I see a guy on a colorful bike down there. Ah. Pretty soon. All right, let's go get a bit of a closer seat. much fun here tonight. And you know what? I don't think I've seen this place so busy at night. Not in a long time. So it's nice right here. I think I've mentioned that before because the whole crowd is over there. And then if you go over there, you get stuck in that massive stampede of people and it's hard to get out of there. So I like it right here. See a bunch of guys on their motorbikes right there. Show you a little view around. Alright, should be starting any minute. I moved a little bit down from where I was just because I thought, you know what, there's no one right here. It's nice up there. That's where I was, right up there, top of those stairs. But then you also have the nice view of all the buildings right here, so decided to move. It's so beautiful. It's a beautiful night tonight. Have some fireworks starting. I just wanted to show you. You can see people up in their hotel rooms, standing in the window, getting ready to watch. See, you can see them all up there. It's got like the $1 million view up there in that hotel. hope you enjoyed the fireworks show, everyone. I'm super excited they're back. Let's go over here. We'll be able to get a good view. Over there. That's why I stay away from there.
I know. Yeah, look. Drive my nephew and everything.
Okay, well, I think we'll take a little walk up the hill a little bit, not too far, and then that'll be it for our walk, okay? Other side. To show you one interesting thing while we walk up this way. I came for dinner here a few weeks ago, and as I was walking to go back to my car, I saw there was people here at the corner doing some work, and they were excavating. So I asked the woman what they were doing, and she said they were doing an archaeological dig. So this is the spot right here. It's all filled in now, but when I was here, there was huge like pathways dug deep down, and she said that they had found some indigenous tools. So that was really interesting. So I think they came across that because there was some electrical work being done, and then the guys that were doing the electrical work discovered some things in the ground. So it's kind of neat. Alright, we're going to try and make our way up there, I think. Yikes. So busy. Okay. Well, I would definitely say the tourists are back. Very busy. I think we're just gonna head back down and that'll be it, okay? We'll come back another day, I promise. I just mainly wanted you guys to see the fireworks tonight. Oh my god. It was so crazy. It's nice to see that people are coming back, and there's so many people, there's so many tourists enjoying the night, that's for sure. I hope you all enjoyed the walk and the fireworks, and we saw the IMAX Theatre, which is kind of interesting to see how it looks now being torn down. Let's do one more thing before we go. We're gonna see if we see any zip liners. We'll go over there and see if we can see any zip liners, and then that'll be it. Now, I don't know what time the zip lining is open till. Idea. So let's just go have a peek, and if there's nobody going, then we'll just end it at a look at the falls, okay? I don't think I see anyone up there. Oh, hold on, do I? Oh no, someone's coming down. Oh, they might be done for today. Okay, well, you know what? There's always another night, another day. I think that's just one of the staff members coming down. That's probably it for today. All right, let's get a nice view of the falls. Let's go to the Ramblers Rest, that lookout down there, and we'll have a look at it through there, okay? Very foggy here. Smoky. I don't know if that's from the fireworks or maybe the change in it could be from the temperature change. It's very foggy and misty now. There's a nice view for you to end it off. Oh, you can see the boats are down there, the Niagara City cruises. Made of the mist boats, really. That's what I call them. So there's a nice view of the falls before we go. Thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate the support you guys give me. I really do. It keeps me going. foggier it is now. Like you can barely see the Canadian or Horseshoe Falls in the distance. Barely see it at all. Everything else is just one big misty fog. It's like a horror movie, sort of. Ooh. Okay, that's it. Okay, bye for now.